Happy Monday. First off, give it up for the motherfucking Kansas City Chiefs. Woo! Hey, shout outs to the Chiefs. What's going on? What's going on? Let me just log into everything. I need to log into Kraken as my last one. How you guys doing? Happy Monday. Thank God the Chiefs pulled it off yesterday. Holy shit. Salto long again. I'm in a big position. Let me show you guys. I'm going to go full screen on the exchange here. All right, we're going to go full screen on the exchange if you guys don't mind, okay? I took the Chiefs, yes. I'm also in a big position. Here we go. Will this capture it? All right, cool. All right. Here we go, baby. We got to figure this out. I got to figure this out. Hold on one second, okay? I just basically added the maximum. You guys get it? Because we already have, you see the realized, right? I just basically added 240 Bitcoin. We're going to talk about it in a second. I didn't think that it was going to be this volatile right now. So I'm not prepped for this right now. So one second. We get nasty here. Hold on one second. Let me try hard. Goldragi says tomorrow the million. Yeah, we're like $20,000 away from $1 million right now. Here. We're at 980,000 on this account. I've got, there's other accounts, but we're at 980 on this exact account. So 20,000 more dollars, we'll have $1 million. Like 200K to $1 million we did in this year. Oh, long short ratio. It's probably a non-factor, to be honest. Yeah, the hardest part about stuff like liquidation heat maps or long short ratio is you don't know what percentage of that is market makers and what percentage of that is retail, right? So sometimes people will be like, oh, there's liquidity here, it's gonna grab it. What if it's the market makers? And it's really more of the newer people that say that, because the OGs, we've been through this many times, and it doesn't have to grab the brightest yellow, right? Because if that's the market maker, why would they get licked? Why would they get stopped out, right? So long short ratio, liquidation heat maps, it includes both the market maker and retail. So it's hard without being able to really distinguish. I think if you were going to sprinkle in, aggregate CVD and aggregate open interest, and you're trying to figure out who, might be using what asset, that might work. But just looking at long short is kind of hard. Remember when we were nerding out and we were saying, okay, we think retail is using stable coin and we think market makers are using coin margin, and we went from there. And we tried to say, oh, okay, every time there's a bear div on the stable coin, they're getting, remember when it was pumping and every USDT stable coin CVD bear div kept getting invalidated? There's going to be a combination of longers that'll probably add, if I get what I want, what will happen is this will get broken, and it's going to just basically start. The reason why you get stuff like this is because a lot of times it's a relief rally where people are taking profit, or people are adding into longs, and that's how you end up with like bear flags and stuff, right? So first things first, let's just see if we can break the POC. I don't even know if it's going to. It might be another bull div, just sweep it and then go back again. So the bull divs have to get invalidated. This could still bounce and reclaim Golden Pocket and 786. Like, if it gets above this box, then I have to start probably closing a little bit by bit, right? And I need S&P to not invalidate the bear div. So as long as S&P doesn't make a higher high, I'm okay. Ideally, it doesn't go above 786, right? Same thing, all same shit. MBL says, I just want to say thank you a lot. I learned from you and risk management. That's awesome, MBL. Keep it up, brother. Imagine how much better you're going to be in 1 month, 4 months, 6 months, 12 months, 2 years, 4 years. You know what I mean? Sky is the limit. Let's go. All right, we're officially above $1 million unrealized though. We're officially above $1 million. We're officially above $1 million. Woo! Let's get it! We're above $1 million. Hey, fuck that POC. Fuck that POC up. Ah, come on. Come on, fuck that POC up. Goddamn POC. Give it up for the blue lines though. Give it up for the blue lines. Give it up for the Kimba lines. Give it up for the Kimba boxes. God damn, that's not what I wanted to see. It's still trying to hold some bull dip. Come on, S&P. Let's try to figure out what exactly our next range could be for importance. I'm gonna go with baby. Let's go with baby levels and then we'll keep moving them up, you know. But let's start with the baby ones to see if there's even any hope for those right now. Oh! I need the 5 minute. Somebody was asking, why do you look at 5 minute? Because this is why. I need to see the 5 minute bull divs break, then we can go to the 15, then we can go to the hourly. But if the 5 minute bull divs can't even break, there's no point. Well, it's kind of looking like a sweep. God damn it. Kind of looks like a, you know. No, we're under $1 million again. Fuck. We celebrated too early. Leg day, yes sir, yes sir. I'm squatting. And I'm gonna just put my stop loss and profit. And on squat day, I really try not to look at the charts. I think this is gonna scam pump back to my entry again, you guys. Is that what's gonna happen to my short? This is kind of reminiscent, like if you think about it, like trying to get our TPs, but round tripping. Like, oh, we're about to get our TP. We're about to get our TP. We're about to get our TP. It's right there. It's right there. We're right there, guys. Oh, shit. Lord have mercy. Okay, all right, let me go make my pre-workout 1 second. Oh my God, no fucking way. I swear to God, as soon as I left. I think this is gonna scam pump back to my entry again, you guys. Give it up for the box. Oh, S&P, I hate you, S&P. S&P still hasn't done his bearish div yet. Okay, all right, I'm out of here. All right, I'll be right back. What the fuck? Okay, I'm out. I'm out. I think we got 53. Yo, that shit. Hey, I got you, market maker. Okay, let me go hurry up so we can re-enter together, yeah? Let me go hurry up so we can re-enter together. Yo, okay, I'll be back. I'll be back. I think this is gonna scam pump back to my entry again, you guys. Oh! Yo, let's go. Hot dog. How's everybody doing? Did these motherfuckers just stop me out or what? Round two. Who's ready for round 2?
I didn't hear no bell.
Round 2. Is this gonna bounce? You wanna see some? Who wants to see some? There we go. A little better. So what I'm gonna do is Man, did I really get stopped out for a fucking 5 mil position? Now I got this baby dick thing.
Come on, man. Come on.
Give it up for these stupid ass boxes that only work when it's being used as support and it's never resistance. Yeah, this one, and you know what's crazy, Antonia? This one's like a baby one. This one's the baby. You know, so it's like a baby gorilla. It's strong as fuck. This is Big Daddy, because it could lose that, and this would still be bullish to bounce from there. You know, because a lot of times we talk about put your stop loss behind 786 if you were in a long from here. All right, let me trigger volatility for you guys. Here we go. Bink. Volatility. I love you guys, man. Shout outs to all the international lions, Latin American lions. We got the European lions. We got the Australians. We got Asian lions. All right, the Antarctic lions, space lions, Martian lions, alien lions. All right, you guys. Thank you, guys. Rooting for each and every one of you guys. Stay safe. Love you. Have a great night, everybody. Peace.